Real development is meaningless if the people building the nation still struggle to live properly. Article number 43, living wage and decent life for workers. A person who works hard all day should not still struggle to live with dignity. Article 43 of the Constitution of India says that the state should ensure living wages for workers, decent standard of life, proper working conditions, opportunities for social and cultural life. Simple meaning, the Constitution believes that workers should not earn just enough to survive. People who work hard should also have respect, stability, pay, proper living conditions, a better quality of life, not just endless struggle. Reality says, in real life, many workers work long hours but still struggle financially. Some families cannot